Hey everyone, welcome back to Tapshi Tech and Reviews. Welcome back to another video. So today let's quickly see how to transfer a domain from Godaddy to a different provider. In my case, I'll be using 2 GB. So 2 GB is the one which I'll be using. So yeah, let's get in the video and see exactly that. So what you have to do first is go to my products under your profile, and there should be a manage button available besides your domain. Click on manage. So once you click on manage, if you scroll down completely, you'll see transfer section. In that you have two options: transfer to another GoDaddy account or transfer to another registrar. So first of all, you'll have to do is domain lock should be turned off. For that, you'll have to click on transfer to another registrar, and then these are the checklists which you need to have your email access where this account has been registered with, and then click on continue. So you'll get one OTP for verifying your account, and once OTP is verified, it will take us to the screen: transfer domain to another registrar. So OTP verification is just to unlock your domain. The domain lock will be turned off. So mine is already done, so I don't have that screen coming up now. So here what you'll have to do is you can either click on this and you'll get the authorization code here, and you'll also receive it on your email as well. Yeah, so that's how you'll get the authorization code. So next thing what you have to do is you have to go to your another provider where you want to transfer this to. So in my case, this is the one. So all provider will have an option called domain transfer under their domain section. So under domain transfer, you can click on domain transfer. Here you need to provide your website name, the URL, so without .com of course, and then you'll have to provide the authorization code as well. So you'll have to copy it from here, copy the code and put it here and click on continue. So it will verify and show you the option. So I had previously added it, so just cancel this one. So you have the option for how many years you want. So I'll choose probably 1 year to test it out, how well 2 GB performs and how well the traffics are handled over here. So this is how the price will be. So comparing this with GoDaddy, the renewal price of GoDaddy is very high. So suppose if I select, not this one, if I select 1 year over here, so it comes about 1876 plus full domain protection. You'll have to give 577, and moreover the server price is also very high. For even for 12 months they charge about 2628, whereas if you go with 2 GB hostings, Linux hosting, you'll get it for 800 rupees per year. So I felt this was a good deal. So first I thought I'll just transfer my whole domain from here to 2 GB, and then later on buy the server as well. So you can complete the order, and within 1 or 2 days it should be transferred to 2 GB. Make sure you have signed into your account before transferring it, so that you'll always have access to this. So hope this was helpful, guys. Let me know in the comments if any doubts, and I hope you'll all subscribe to my channel. If you like the video, please do the like button, subscribe, comment. Let's catch again next video. Until then, see you. Bye.